Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your ActiveCampaign email list. If you've been building your email list for a while, you likely have subscribers who haven't engaged with your emails in months or even years. Cleaning up these unengaged contacts is essential for maintaining good deliverability rates and ensuring you're only paying for active subscribers who actually want to hear from you. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has administrative access, as you'll need the proper permissions to make changes to your contact lists. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your ActiveCampaign dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This section is where all your subscriber data lives, and it's the central hub for managing everyone on your email list. Once you're in the Contacts area, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Lists tab. This view will show you all the different lists you've created in your account, making it easier to organize and manage your subscribers based on different segments or campaigns. Now, to access the cleanup options, look for the drop-down arrow next to the Import Contacts button near the top of the page. Click on that arrow, and from the menu that appears, select Engagement Management. This tool is specifically designed to help you identify and remove contacts who are no longer engaging with your emails, which is exactly what we need. You'll now see a list of all your email lists. Find the specific list you want to clean up and click on View Cleanup Options next to it. This opens up the configuration screen where you'll set the parameters for your cleanup. On the cleanup configuration page, you'll need to choose the type of cleanup you want to perform. Select the option that says Unsubscribe all unengaged contacts past a certain date. This ensures that contacts who haven't shown any activity will be automatically unsubscribed, keeping your list fresh and engaged. Next, you'll need to set the engagement period. Choose your desired time frame from the drop-down menu. For example, 90 days works well for most businesses. Then, select your engagement metric. In this case, choose Opened or Clicked. This means ActiveCampaign will look for contacts who haven't opened any of your emails or clicked any links within the time frame you specified. Now, to make sure you're only cleaning up a specific list, you'll want to add a list tag filter. In the field labeled Include Contacts with this tag, type in your list tag. For example, if your list is called main-list, type that in. Exactly. This ensures you're only targeting contacts from that specific list and not affecting other segments of your database. Once you've configured all your settings, click on Remove Unengaged Contacts. ActiveCampaign will now begin the process of identifying and removing unengaged subscribers from your list. Keep in mind that this process may take up to an hour to complete, depending on the size of your list. You don't need to stay on the page while this happens. ActiveCampaign will work in the background and your list will be cleaned up automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a cleanup process that will remove unengaged contacts from your ActiveCampaign list, improving your deliverability and ensuring you're only reaching people who genuinely want to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.